Hi guys, I don't know if you heard about what happened in Iowa, but there is a massive flooding happened in Iowa. There was a massive rain that happened yesterday. So I am going there right now to rescue my son. My son is stuck in the hotel in Spencer, Iowa. And I'm going there to see what I can do to get him back to safety. He is with two employees of the hotel right now. The entire first floor, I was told, was flooded. So my son was there for some sort of work, and somehow last night the area, the entire Iowa, was flooded. So I am driving right now from Illinois to Iowa to rescue my son and put him back and get him back to safety. I'm worried, and I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him back to safety. Pray for us, pray for me, pray for him, pray for everybody else. For all the things that happened recently to Iowa, I'm praying for all of you. I feel terrible, I feel bad for what happened. And I will keep you guys posted. So just keep watching. And I'll talk to you guys later. This place is humongous, man. Huge. Biggest truck stop in the world. Huge. This place is huge.